Assalamualaikum Terrify Times viewers. I hope you all are well. Today I am back with another new video. Today's video is about Redmi K30 Ultra review video. So stay with Terrify Time. Let's start our video. Redmi K30 Ultra is a phone by Xiaomi. Redmi K30 Ultra will go on sale in China from August 14. If you live in China, then this is a great time for buy Redmi K30 Ultra for you. Redmi K30 Ultra has been unveiled as the latest offering from Xiaomi. The Redmi K30 Ultra has a 120Hz AMOLED display and is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus and powerful chipset. The other three Redmi K30 series variants are all equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon processors. The Redmi K30 Pro and the Redmi K30 Pro Zoom Edition powered by the latest Snapdragon 865 chipset. So, the Redmi K30 Ultra is also equipped with dual stereo speakers and has a quad camera setup that features a 64 megapixel main sensor. We expect that Redmi K30 Ultra is priced roughly 21,000 in Indian rupees for the 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage option, and the 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage model roughly come with 23,000 Indian rupees and 29,800 Indian rupees for 8GB 256GB for Indian rupees. And our Bangladeshi guys also want to know the price. So Bangladeshi people, the 6GB plus 128GB should come under 26,000 Bangladeshi taka. 8GB plus 128GB should come under 29,000 Bangladeshi taka, and also the 8GB plus 256GB should come under 34,000 Bangladeshi taka. So let's discuss about its specification. The dual SIM Redmi K30 Ultra runs on Android 10 with MIUI 12 on top. This phone comes with 6.6-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. It is powered by the 7nm MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus powerful chipset, which paired with up to 8GB RAM, there is up to 512GB of storage on the device. In the imaging department, the Redmi K30 Ultra's quad camera setup is headlined by the 64 megapixel camera with f1.7 aperture. It's a very good camera sensor, I think. It is assisted by a 5 megapixel macro camera plus 13 megapixel wide angle camera that offers a 119 degree field of view. So the last camera sensor is 2 megapixel depth sensor. So selfie are handled by a 20 megapixel pop-up front camera. There is a pop-up camera, so the screen is full view display. There is a 4500 mAh battery inside the Redmi K30 Ultra with an 33W fast charging with USB Type-C port and NFC. 33W fast charging is very amazing for me. The device weight is 213 grams. All the sensors are available in this phone. So let's discuss, is this phone value for money? Okay, if this phone come under 27,000 Indian rupees or 29,000 Bangladeshi taka with 8GB plus 128GB variant, then in my opinion this is a great phone. Please comment your opinion in comment box. You know that I say in my previous video that I like AMOLED display very much. In my opinion, this is a great choice for hard use or long time use. So tell me your opinion on the comment box below. That's it for today. Hope you like this video. If you like, then press the like button and stay subscribed. And also you can comment me on my comment box that can you buy this phone in this range or in this price, or if you guys are living in China, then you can buy this phone 14th August in sale. So viewers, that's it for today. Stay safe, stay cool. with Telefy Time.